Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to create fake WhatsApp account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited fake WhatsApp account. So I will need you to pay attention, follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, then you search for Secure VPN. Now once you search for Secure VPN, you can see this VPN over here. This VPN has about 100 million plus download, so you need to make sure you download this VPN. If you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. Now once you have downloaded this Secure VPN, all you need to do is to open this Secure VPN. So just open this Secure VPN over here and then wait as it is loading. You can see over here checking network settings, so you have to wait as it is connecting over here, and you can see connecting. So you have to skip this ad over here, and once you have skipped the ad, all you need to do is to click on connect, and you can see it is connecting, and it has connected. Now once you have connected to this Secure VPN, you can see the key button at the top over there. So in this case, all you need to do is to open your Play Store once again. Now once you open your Play Store, all you need to do is to search for WhatsApp over here. So you just search for WhatsApp. Now if your WhatsApp is not updated to the latest version, you need to make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. You can see this has 5 billion plus download, so you need to make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. So if you're already having your WhatsApp but not updated to the latest version, you need to make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Now once you have updated the WhatsApp to the latest version, all you need to do is to go ahead and then open your WhatsApp over here. So just open your WhatsApp. Now once you open your WhatsApp, you can see agree and continue. In this case, all you need to do is to select the country that you prefer, but in my case I'll be using United States, so you can just search for USA. So you can just go ahead and then search for USA, or you can just enter your USA over here, United States over here. So now once you have selected your country, you have to open your Play Store once again. So just go and open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, all you need to do is to search for this special application, Temp SMS receive code. So you can see Temp SMS receive code. There are many, so I will advise you to download this special one. If you're already having it but not updated, I will still advise you to update it to the latest version. So you need to make sure you are using the latest version of this application. Now once you have updated or downloaded this special application, all you need to do is to click on open, and then open this application over here. Now once you open this application, you can see it is opening. So once it has opened, set it to extra numbers. Just click on extra numbers, and once you click on extra numbers, you can see so many countries over here. So you can see France over here. Now once you click on France, you can see France numbers over here. But if there is an ad, you have to skip the ad because these apps contain ads. So you can see France numbers over here. But this time around, the country we selected was USA. So it means we need to go for USA number. So in this case, all you need to do is to select USA. So just open USA so that we can use USA number to create this unlimited fake WhatsApp account. Now you can see the USA numbers over here. So in this case, all you need to do is to select the one that you prefer. So you can see the USA numbers over here, and you can see new. Please, I will recommend you to select those with new. So you can see so many numbers over here, and you can see new. So select the ones with new. So just select the ones with new over here. Now we have to skip the ad over here. So you have to skip the ad, and now you can see over here copy. So you have to copy this. Now once you have copied this, once you have copied this number, all you need to do is to go back to your WhatsApp. So just open your WhatsApp, and now once you open your WhatsApp over here, you can see you have to paste the number that we just copied over here. So just paste the number, and once you have pasted the number, you can see the number over here. So you have to make sure the number is correct. Then you click on next. Now once you click on next, you can see connecting. So just wait as it is connecting over here. So just wait for a while, and you can see over here you entered the phone number, and you can see the number over here. So in this case, we have to confirm whether this is the exact number that we are supposed to use. Now in order to receive our OTP code, all you need to do is to click on yes. So just click on OK, and once you click on OK, the OTP code will be sent to you. So all you need to do is to just go back and then open your temp application account. So just copy the code over here and use this code to create your unlimited WhatsApp account. With this trick, you can create unlimited WhatsApp account using these numbers. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload